Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm Assassin Ghost and today we are going to take a look at micro-interactions in Adobe XD. So basically, let's talk about the concept of micro-interaction in Adobe XD. So basically, when you click on something, so for example, in this tutorial we are going to make a like button in shape of heart. So for example, in Instagram, instead of liking and thumbs up, we have the heart symbol. Whenever you click on that heart symbol, you receive a little bit of animation. That is what we are going to replicate in this tutorial. So let's get started. So this is like a random artboard with iPhone X or XS, and I have a little heart in middle. So this is like a standard PNG. You can go ahead and use anything you want, but in this case I'm going to use this heart PNG. After that, first of all, just go ahead and duplicate this artboard like 3 times, and let's rename it 1 and 2 and 3. So this is it. Once you have renamed your artboards and duplicated them just like this, you need to go to your second artboard, and in second artboard, let me just zoom in right quick. I will take my line tool and create a little line. So these are like these flares which pop off from the heart when you press it. So I'm going to make it 4. I think 4 will be too much. 2. Okay, let's get to 3, and then I'll round it a bit. Let's do 4. Okay, the size will be 4, and I'm going to just round it a little bit, like this is a round cap. And for the border, I'll just pick the same color, which is of this heart. You can make this larger, smaller, anything you want, but let's just go ahead and make it like this. After that, I'm going to press the Alt or Option key to duplicate it, and I will also press Shift in order for the smart guys to tell me that the distance between this and this is exactly the same. After that, we can go ahead and duplicate it once more. I can press Ctrl or Command D and then just duplicate it. So let me just before making any of these, be sure to open your layers panel so you can keep tracking all your layers. So currently we have this heart layer, and then line 1, line 2. Let's just go ahead and duplicate it right here, and once we duplicate it, I'll just go ahead and rotate it and make sure it's in the center just like this. A smart guide's helping me. And after that, I'm going to duplicate it once more. I'll press Ctrl or Command D to duplicate, and then just press Shift and make sure they align just like this. We are going to do this once more, so press Ctrl D. We need 8 lines. Like, this is not a requirement, but in this specific tutorial, we are going to make something which, for example, if you click on this heart, it goes like this, and then 8 bars. So now we have the 8 lines. You can always go ahead and just group it, but I'm not going to do, or maybe you can just group it, not a problem. It won't make a big difference. After that, let me just first make sure I'll just group it. Let me just group it and then make sure everything is in the mid. Yes, everything is in the mid. I'll just again go ahead and duplicate it, Ctrl D. So we are going to do a lot of duplication in this, so make sure you learn the shortcut, that is Ctrl D, and it's going to duplicate it. After duplicating it, you need to go to your first artboard and just press Option or Alt key and take it down like really in, crunch it in. So as you can see, it's behind our actual heart shape. Again, we are going to just duplicate it and make sure it's aligned so that the illusion of the animation don't break, and make it a little bit bigger. I'm pressing the Alt or Option key so they stay proportionate. Now we have this, so if we just go ahead and play it like this, you will see what I'm talking about. Boom. So this is not actually what we want, but still, it's always great to check, it's always great to take a look at this. Now we'll go to the prototype, and in the prototype I will select, you can see, be careful not to select the actual bars which is inside, but select the heart, and after that pull this little blue thing and do this artboard number 2, and you will have some option. What do you want? We want the trigger to be tap, we want the transition to be auto animate, and easing to be maybe wind up. Yeah, that would be great. You can keep the duration to 0.2 seconds. And now I'll go again to this entire artboard. Like in the first artboard we selected just the shape, the heart shape, but in this we are going to select the entire artboard, and we are going to go to the third artboard, but this time it is just going to be from time 0 second. It don't need any time, and just duration, it doesn't matter. So destination will be 3, and we can say something like transition or whatever. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this for a while, how it looks like. So if we tap, so as you can see, the little hand icon appears. If you click on it, you will see it did work, but not exactly how we expected it to work. Now I'm going to basically loop this, and for looping this we need to put the third heart, select the third heart and put it back to the first one. Again the trigger will be just the action will be transition, the trigger will be tap, you can just tap to go back, and transition will be auto animate, easing should be like ease out, and duration should be 0.2 seconds. Let's take a look at this for now. You tap on it and boom, but it doesn't look great, like it looks janky. So let's go ahead and fix it. First of all, go to the first loop inside the heart. So if you remember, we have these bars go under the heart, and I'm just going to put the opacity to 0%, and then I'll select these and I'll put the opacity to 0%. After this, I'm just going to select this heart shape on the first artboard, go to fill and add the color to hash C3 C3 C3, a grayish color, which means we have currently not liked the post or something. So hash C3 C3 C3. Now if I play it, you will see it's disliked, and then when you click on it, boom, the animation goes, and you can again go ahead and press on the heart to dislike it. So basically, let's watch it once again. This is disliked. Click on it, you get the animation, and you click once more to just dislike it. So this was basically Microinteractions in Adobe XD. And if you like this video, please leave a like, and if you have any questions, any problems, you can just go ahead and ask in the comments down below. I'll be happy to answer them, and be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, thanks for watching. Peace.